age really matters dito sa home loan natin sa bangko dahil dito po nakadepende ang ating loan terms. The more na mas mababa yung edad natin, the more na mas mahaba yung pwede natin or kaya nating i-cater na longest payment terms. Siyempre guys, as much as possible, we want it naman na konti lang iniinteresan sa atin ng bangko. But if mas mahaba po yung payment terms natin, like for example, nasa GAD, 25 or 30 years, no, nakukuha natin yung parang rent to own style na parang halang nagre-renta ng ganung halaga. But syempre, yung buong 30 years na yun, or 25 years, yun yung iniinteresan ng bangko. Well, pwede naman nating tapusin agad yun through advanced principal. For example, kumuha tayo ng loan na 30 years or 25 years, hindi naman talaga na nakalock in yun for that. Syempre, if you want to reconstruct your loan, no, gusto mo nang bayaran siya agad through advance payment ng principal or gusto mo naman ng paikliin na yung loan kasi tingin mo it sustains na your lifestyle or your income. So, pwede pa rin po yun through loan reconstruction.